At some point, you have to get tired of not recognizing yourself. At some point, you get fed up with bending and twisting yourself and doing any and everything that everybody else wants you to do because you're a people pleaser. And at some point, you get tired of not recognizing who you see when you look in the mirror. You see, with people pleasing, you don't really have your own identity. You have the identity that people have given you with their opinions. Everybody shouldn't hold weight in your life to the point where you consider their opinion when you are making life decisions. And from someone who struggled with people pleasing for a very long time, I struggled with people pleasing because I didn't really know who I was. I wasn't really confident in who I am. I thought that being liked meant that my existence was validated. I thought that being seen meant that there was something special about me. But when I began to learn the scriptures and really see how God felt about me, I'm special because I'm His. I'm validated because I'm His, right? I am His son regardless. And people pleasing steals the joy of authenticity from you. But how can you stand in your truth if you don't know who you really are? How can you even see yourself if you don't know who you really are? People are flawed. Point blank, period. A lot of us see things from a distorted view because of trauma, because of life experiences, because of the way that we grew up, or things that we deal with on a day-to-day basis. We see things not completely as they are. That's exactly how people's opinions are. Some of their opinions come out of love. Some of their opinions come from jealousy. Some of their opinions come from trauma. Some of their opinions come from a distorted lens. This is why you should never allow people's opinion to create how you build your life, how you live your life, and how you view yourself, because everybody's opinion is flawed.